Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add title tags and meta descriptions to collections in Webflow. First, open your Webflow and click on CMS on the left side. Now click on Settings beside your collection and press Add New Field. Here, input your title tags. Then create it. Next, create another one and input your meta descriptions. Then save it. Next, what you need to do is get your link from your blog and input here on this collection URL. After you input your link, save it, then click on page on the left side. Here, you can click this one. Then you can click on add field to add your title tag and add field again to add your meta description, and that's it.